Hi everyone! Today we will talk about the Units tab in the Ruhavik app. This is one of the most important tabs in the application and where we spend the most time. On this tab, you can see the list of all created units. State duration, quick action button, telemetry parameters, all of these can be seen on the unit card. Tap on the unit icon to see it on the map. For example, first unit and second unit. By clicking on the three buttons in the upper right corner of the unit card, you can get quick access to track, events, trips, tools, and unit settings. From this menu, you can control your unit. Most of the actions are available here. Thank you for watching. For more information, check the post description. Keep safe and have a nice day.